Hello everyone, my name is Chia-Hsu Huang. Today I will talk about MusicTongue. It's a tongue training exergame designed for the older adults. Swallowing ability declines with aging, leading to swallowing difficulties. According to the studies, about 14% of older adults suffer from swallowing difficulties. The percentage is even higher in the long-term care facility, reaching to 70%. Decreased swallowing ability may result in dysphagia, increasing choking and coughing, and even aspiration pneumonia. This will reduce the quality of life for the older adults. There are some tongue training games to improve mouth function, which can be divided into content and non-content type. Most design work on laptop and is heavy and not user-friendly to older adults. Although IOPI trainer or intraoral joystick are accurate, users need to help from professionals while operating, and devices are also expensive. Still, there is a lack of discussion about whether the game topic is interesting to older adults. We went on a year-long design journey with expert and user interviews and 4 design iterations. We cooperate with the specialists in nursing, speech therapy, image processing, and assistive device. The training exercises used in the game were developed by experts based on the dysphagia care manual from the Taiwan Ministry of Health and Welfare. We use image recognition technology to recognize the player's tongue posture. This allows the software to know if the user is doing the training correctly. In a user interview, we found that most older adults had their way of enjoying music, like radio, karaoke, or YouTube. Music can be the lamp of the game. We also found delightful feedback and training record visualization can encourage older adults to keep training. Based on the interview results, we designed wireframe with reference to the existing music game. The action icon moved from left to right. When the icon arrived at a yellow figure, the player needs to make the correct action, then get the score. We designed 4 kinds of layout and then interview older adults. P4 was most disliked because the big tongue window made them see their wrinkled face. Older adults also prefer a vivid cartoon-like game style. In the prototype 2, we removed the tongue windows, redesigned the UI and icon, giving the game a joyful style. Players can view their records on the main screen, choose the music they want to play, and share the score with their friends. In the final design, we use high-contrast icons to improve the visibility. Players can control the speed of games through buttons. Technical prototype has also been implemented. To meet the needs of nursing home residents, we designed the arcade version, which operates with a larger screen and can be played by 2 people, turning the parlor into a nostalgic game room. This also made MusicTongue easier to be operated by older adults who are not familiar with smartphones. The game will notify the players to do the training program every day. The home screen will show the training records, including movement accuracy and reaction time in the past week's training. Players can choose one song, and the game will generate training levels according to the beats and legs of the song. The 5 kinds of training actions designed by experts will be randomly paired to beats when the game starts. The icons that represent the training action will keep falling. When the action icons reach the orange area, the player should do the training exercise to the front camera of the phone. After the game is finished, the game will score according to the player's movement accuracy, reaction time, and speed. Players can check the ranking on the leaderboard and choose to share the score with friends. After technical prototype testing, we found that the SUS score was 79, higher than the V2 prototype 68. The overall UQS score was 1.91, which is an excellent level. Most players can play the game smoothly and express the game its novelty and fun, increasing the wellness of oral training. In the future research, we will be using the crowdsourcing method to collect more tongue images from people of different age, sex, skin color to increase the diversity of the training dataset, making the recognition model more accurate and stable. Other training activity in the oral care program will also be added in, making the training process more complete. Thank you for your attention.